How to redeem a Fortnite gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can redeem a Fortnite gift card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to redeem your Fortnite account's gift card, what you need to do is first of all open up your browser, and you have to go to this URL which is called epicgames.com/Fortnite. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Just go to epicgames.com/Fortnite and then make sure to sign into your Epic Games account. Now once you sign into your Fortnite or your Epic Games account, you will see this kind of interface. Now tap on the three lines from the very top right hand side, and here you'll find the option called V-Bucks. All you have to do is tap on the V-Bucks option. You'll see this kind of interface that says redeem your V-Bucks card, which is your Fortnite card, and all you have to do is tap on the option called get started. Once you tap on get started, it says you to simply enter the code or pin. So just go ahead and enter the code or the pin of your Fortnite V-Bucks card. And to do that, you can just tap on the next button. It may ask you for other details, and if you're not signed in, it will ask you to sign in as well, and the changes will be made to your Fortnite account. That's all it takes to redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.